or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To those who are new, welcome. My name is KGODISOPRUDANCEMAMOLATJI. Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my weekend vlog, or I don't know, but it's a vlog anyways. So today it's Friday, the 7th of September. Yeah, 2 or 3 weeks after my birthday. I'm still broke, by the way. But I can assure you I'm still going to celebrate my birthday the easy way or the hard way. I have to. Anyways guys, that's not the reason why I'm here. So today it's Thursday, naked 7, and guys, I'm going home tomorrow. Well, I'm not sure, but 90% is it? Yeah, I'm going home tomorrow. I'm going home for recess. Yeah, I'm going to stay there for a week or 2 weeks. Actually, I'm supposed to stay for a week, but if I do enjoy, I'm going to stay for 2 weeks. Guys, I love school so much, but I feel like I want to go home. Oh, this place, yeah, I don't even want to start. I don't want to talk too much. So yeah, it's kind of travel with me thing, is it? Anyways guys, so today it's Thursday and I'm going to submit okay, what I'm gonna do is that I have to submit my assignments, 2 or 3 of them. Is it 3? I'm going to submit my assignments. I'm going to, okay, I have to cook. But sometimes I shit. Guys, okay, help me out, ne? I wanna cook because I don't have anything to do. But at the same time, how do I cook knowing very well that I'm leaving tomorrow? Guys, I just said potato chiller in my room. Is it? It's a tough one, hey? And should I cook? I don't know guys. But go submitted the assignment. Then about the cooking thingy, I don't know. I still have to pack, guys. I wanted to wash my clothes, but which I don't know what happened, but so but guys, okay, because right now I don't have any funding, so I'm broke like nobody's business. Okay, the thing is that I want to take my bag so that I can come back with some food from at home, which means that I don't have to take a lot of clothes. I'm going to wear my sister's clothes. Is it? Okay, I actually don't know. Oh, by the way guys, I do have a tripod. Yeah, my day ones do know that. Those who've been watching my vlogs from last year, I do have a vlog, and I mean a tripod, sorry. And right now I'm using a tripod. Look, it got in my fridge, guys, and here I am. And I'm thinking of taking along my tripod tomorrow so that I can vlog along the way. Is it? Guys, there's this particular person, whenever I'm with him, he's like, is it? So I think okay, never mind. Anyways guys, I think yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to submit my assignments. I'm going to pack my bag. Should I? Is it? Guys, I think I'm kind of happy. Yo guys, okay, let's talking more doing. I think I took this thing from the millennial mom. Yo guys, she loves talking and I enjoy her talking so much. Like, girl be talking for like 10 minutes. Okay, so Okay, guys. On a serious note, I'm going to submit my assignments, and yeah, you just see, guys, along the way, along the day, or go there. I guess so. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it so much. Yeah, I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much to those who have subscribed. It's road to 300 subscribers right now. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Is it? Yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Who guys like pillar, like I'm basically like giving because the tripod is on top of the fridge, so I have to be like, and I'm short. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Right now, I'm going to submit my assignments, but first I have to accompany Casey to go and print out her assignments. Then here's it. Yeah, bye. So this is me going to the library to print out the assignments. Actually, I was accompanying someone else because I had already printed mine, but I couldn't vlog. I actually submitted mine before, but I couldn't vlog because I felt like I would be invading some people's privacy, you know. So this is how our library looks like. They decorated it because it is Heritage Month, and it's beautiful, by the way. Yeah. So from there I went to my room to clean my room before I could leave because my room was a little messy.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive.
Yo guys, I really don't know what happened, but eventually I decided to cook. Maybe it was because Mobile was also cooking, you know. So this is me. I was cooking pop and meat. Yeah.
Substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking.
Yeah. Hey guys, 4 hours later. 4 or 5 hours later. Guys, I just woke up and it's 7 p.m. I'm super tired. I was planning to watch Skim Sam, but I don't know what happened. After I came back from the kitchen, I ate Nobile made some bread for me and I ate. From there, I don't know what happened. And now oh guys, I'm super tired and I just woke up. Like, I don't know what to do with myself, but I do know that I have a lot of things to do. I have to pack. I have to wash the pots. Nina. I have to pack. You know what? Let me just so this is what I'm gonna do, guys. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to pack, then I'll wash the pots. Yeah.
I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's
Good morning guys, welcome to a brand new day. So today it's Friday guys, and I'm going home. Yeah, so this is how I look. Let me try it. I tried. Okay, so I'm going home finally. So I'm not sure about how I'm gonna go, how I'm gonna travel and stuff, but what I know is that I'm going home and I have packed. Is it okay? So right now guys, yesterday I cooked and now the joja thing the ampal joja says actually then so the freezer. I don't have any other choice. However, alright guys, anyways guys, yeah, welcome to a brand new day. This is me. I'm going back home. I'll update you guys on the way. Yeah, I'll update you guys on the way, but for now this is just me and I'm going home. Yeah.
that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about, run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for